Alright guys, then I'm going to be doing a styrofoam bear, and we're going to be covering it with roses. So the leg was coming off, and my mom told me to use hot glue to glue it back together. Like cool it off first and glue it back together. But I thought I knew what I was talking about. And I used this, and it ate the styrofoam, so I had to take this off. So don't use this on the bear at all, guys. You want to use hot glue, because that's going to eat the styrofoam. So I'm going to just show y'all this for a demonstration. So you get this from Amazon. Styrofoam bear. And do not use this or any kind of glue. Use a hot glue gun. And I'm going to show you how. And you want to order these also from Amazon. And this is how it look outside the pack. This is how it look. Got the little stems on the back. And you just cut them off, as I did for these ones. Okay, so first you want to start off by, I'm gonna just do a demonstration, so it's not gonna be perfect, but I'm gonna start off by putting some hot glue on the back of this rose. I can't even, it's not even in the camera. On the back of this rose. You want to let it cool off first a little bit, because you don't want it to burn through the styrofoam. So let it cool off a little bit. Let it cool off. Sorry guys, I bite my nails. But let's see. Alright, it should be cool enough. And then you want to just stick it on to where you want it to be at. So I'm gonna put it at. And I'm gonna just put like, I'm gonna do like 2 more on camera. Then I'll finish it off camera and come back and show you guys the finished product. You can get everything from Amazon. They sell hot glue guns in Dollar Tree also. I seen it in there one time. And you could get these from Dollar Tree as well. The glue refills. This is from Dollar Tree. It come in 20 in a pack for $1. Let me move this back so I can show you guys. 20 in a pack for $1. So let me glue this on. Okay. Put this next to this one. Put it as close as possible. So you're gonna look, so you won't see no white, hopefully. Sorry if I'm not in the camera, guys. It's hard to record and do the project. So I'm gonna just do like a couple more on camera, and then I'm gonna do it off camera, so y'all can see the finished product and how it will look. I'm not selling it, so I'm not gonna be doing it perfectly. I'm just doing it for the demonstration. And I'm pretty sure this was all cheap. I'm pretty sure this cost probably like $5 probably. I'm not sure. I didn't buy this though, but I'm pretty sure it was cheap because it's small. Okay, let it cool off a little bit, and then you want to stick it. I don't really stick it like right there. Just want to hold this one for a little bit so it can stick how you want it to. Okay. It ain't perfect, but it's something. So let me just show you how to do it again, just in case you didn't understand the first time. You want to get the hot glue gun, get the rose, or whatever flower you're using. You want to put some glue on the back of it and let it cool off for a little bit so it won't be too hot to melt the styrofoam. Let it cool for like 5-10 seconds. And then you want to just put it on the bear wherever you would like it to go. And just hold it there just in case it moves. You don't want it to move too much. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I'll come back and show you guys when it's done. So, and number one thing, do not use any super glue or any kind of glue because it might eat the styrofoam. So you want to use the hot glue like I showed you in the demonstration, and that will get the job done. So I'll be back in 20 minutes or whenever, however long it takes. I'll be back, guys. Hi guys, so I'm back. So I did enough of this bear for you guys to get the general idea of how it will look. But since this part had messed up because of this super glue, I'm not going to finish it because it's wasting my time. But this is how it look so far. So I'm not going to finish it though, but this is how it would look if you guys was to do it. You just glue them tightly close together, like put it close as you can get it, and do it for every single one of them. Then it will come out like this. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And leave any suggestions down below, and I will do a video on it. Thank you for watching.